Hi friends, let's create this easy loading bar and let's get right into it. So with your clip on your timeline, you go to the effects library. In the effects library, you go to the generators, and in the generators you grab a solid color and then you stretch it out over the clip where you want to have your loading bar. Then we close the effects library, double click on our solid color, what automatically opens the inspector. In the inspector, we are going to choose a nice red color for this case. And then we go into the video tab of our solid color, or better say it here in the settings. And in the settings, we go to crop the top of it because we want to have our solid color loading bar at the bottom of our frame. What we do now is we are going to copy our solid color by clicking Alt on the keyboard, the Alt key, holding it, and then dragging with the mouse our solid color up to the next video track so that we now have a copy of it. What we do then is we go to the inspector in the color tab, and here we go and choose a nice green color, and then we go to the settings, making sure that our playhead is at the first frame of our clip. We are going to keyframe the right crop. So first we make sure that it's totally blank, set a keyframe, then we go to the end of our clip, and here we go and put it all up. You see that automatically a new keyframe is created. Now we go to the beginning of our clip, and then we watch the whole thing in full screen, and that's it. I hope you have fun with this and have a great day ahead. Goodbye. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of the playlist.